Alright, good day. So, this is a walkthrough on how you can actually upload your web project or your website project to the hosting that has been sent to you. So, let me first mention that there are different types of hosting platforms, but this is one platform. We have the cPanel platform in terms of the management. We have direct admin, we have Plesk. There are a lot of them. This one is called Vesta. So if you are doing other hosting and you don't see this kind of platform, the concept and how these files are being uploaded to these platforms are similar. So this is just direct on how you can upload to this platform that we call Vesta. So first of all, your login details has already been sent to your mails. So what you do is that you just come to your browser, like I've opened my browser, and then you copy and paste the IP address that was sent to you, and then you bring colon and then your port number 8083. Good. Alright, now because there's no SSL installed, you have to click on advanced and then move. Then you can have access to the login. So you click on advanced and then you proceed to the unsafe and it works fine. This is just for academic purposes, so there's no need for all that. Good. So now you have this interface where you are supposed to actually log in with your username and your password that was sent to your email. So I have my username and my password. I just hope this is correct here. Alright, so this is fine. So this is my login details, and I have access to my control panel, or this is my panel, and this, like I told you, this is Vesta. There are cPanel, there's Plesk, there's direct admin, there are more. So this is just for learning purposes. So after you are done, what you can do is that you go to File Manager, and the File Manager is where you are going to upload your web project files. So now over here, whatever happens on this left side, the same thing that happens here, so don't worry about what's happening. So you come to the web folder, you can just double click on it, it opens, and then you see this URL to your website. You double click, open, or you just single click it, it loads and opens. And then the public underscore HTML, that is where we are going to put our website files and document, because this is where it is going to show publicly for everyone to see your website. So whether you are using Plesk, whether you are using cPanel or a direct admin or whatever web management tool that you are using for your hosting, bear in mind that the public underscore HTML is where all your websites can be viewed from. If you put it in any of these folders, it will not be publicly viewed. Okay, so you click on it, and then we see that over here we have nothing. For some of you, you will see that you have some two files over here, robots.txt and index.html. You can delete them by just clicking on them and just clicking on this delete button. So you can use a control key to select them, and then you click on this delete button, and then it goes. So now I'm come to upload my web project over here. So the next thing I do is to come to upload over here at the top. And it opens what do you call it, a browser loader for me, where I can actually load my web project files to the hosting. Okay, so now I'm going to actually select my my website files. So mine is on the desktop. Okay, just a moment. So I want to show the screen, so just a moment. So now this is our platform, and this is where the upload is actually happening. So my work is in desktop and IT projects, and then mine is what they call it, TTU here. Now, because your files could be many, so you could have pictures, images, all of them located in different folders. What I advise you to do is that you have to zip all your folders. If you don't do that, it means you have to upload them one by one, which is quite confusing and tiring. So you select all your work together, like how I've done. You right click on it if you're using Windows. You come to send to, and you come to compress zip folder. It compresses it. So normally what it does is that it will just name the compressed file as the first name of the folder. So if your first name of the folder is docs, whatever, it's going to name it like that. So don't worry about the naming. You can even rename it over here. So let me just rename my own and just call it TTU site, and it works fine. So when you're done, so now all your files and folders have been zipped to this particular file over here. So you are just going to upload one file, and when you are done, you extract it. So I click on this, and then I click on upload, and it's uploaded over here, just like you can see. So now I'm done. So when I'm done, I'll just click on select the zip file that I just loaded onto my what do you call it, my web manager, and then I click on extract over here at the top, and then just extract. So now my extract has been done. So you see that all the folders that I previously had when I was uploading my files, they are all shown here. So for space sake, you can just click on this one and delete it, because I wouldn't need it again. This is my zip file. Okay, so that's it. So now if I want to visit my website, I just go to my web URL, so anthonyml.webtechclass.com. So let me see. And it loads perfectly over here. So that's my website, and so that is it. Then I'm done. So I can come back to my file manager, and this is my website. So you see, you can just refresh it, and then everything is done perfectly. If I like, I could actually what do you call it, I could actually test to see. So you have to make sure that before you upload your file, you test to see if everything is working fine before you actually do the file upload. And I think that's fine. Alright, so that is it. So this is how simple you can actually do that, straightforward and to the point. Yeah. There are other ways that you can also upload your file by using what we call FileZilla. So FileZilla is actually a client FTP client software that you can do this. I've given that to you as an assignment. You can go and read about it and how you can do that. This will come in your exam, how to upload your website files to. So that one, this is a bonus question. You have to make sure that you get it. Alright, thank you very much, and have a nice day. So you can go back through this tutorial to see how it can be done, just if you don't get it for the first time. Alright, thank you.